This video demonstrates the execution of the shell script to determine area and perimeter of a square. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to determine the area and perimeter of a square using sequential logic. Let us now see the demonstration of the execution of the shell script solving the problem. The file is opened by giving a command vi square at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file name square are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the workings of each shell script in the file square. The first line of the shell script is a comment line. In UNIX, the comment line starts with hash character. The second line of the shell script is an echo command. Echo enter the side of the square. This echo command will display the text enter the side of the square on the screen. The third line of the shell script is a read script, read side. This read script will read a value from the standard input device and the value read will be assigned to the variable side. The fourth and fifth lines of the shell script are assignment scripts. Area equal to backquote echo $side star $side pipeline operator BC backquote. PERI equal to backquote echo 4 star $side pipeline BC backquote. Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. The pipeline operator connects two UNIX commands by redirecting the output of the first UNIX command as input for the second UNIX command. Hence, the output of the echo command is given as the input for the BC command. In the fourth line of the shell script, the echo command sends the expression side star side to BC. The BC command evaluates the expression and the resultant value is given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to area. Similarly, in the fifth line of the shell script, the echo command will send 4 star side to BC command. The BC command evaluates the expression and the final resultant value is given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to PERI. The sixth line of the shell script is an echo script. Echo the side of the square is $side. This echo command will output the text the side of the square is as it is, and in place of $side it will print the value of side. The seventh line of the shell script is also an echo command. Echo the area of the square is $area. This echo command will output the text the area of the square is as it is, and in place of $area it will print the value of area. The last line of the shell script is also an echo command. Echo the perimeter of the square is $PERI. This echo command will output the text the perimeter of the square is as it is, and in place of $PERI it will print the value of PERI. Now we press escape:WQ in order to come out of the VI editor. The VI editor returns the $prompt after saving the file square. Now to run the shell scripts available in the file square, we have to give a command sh square at the $prompt. The scripts available in the file square starts its execution one by one. The shell script displays the text enter the side of the square. Now at this point the user has to enter an input. Suppose if the user enters 2.5, then the shell scripts returns the area and perimeter of the square by giving the results as the side of the square is 2.5, the area of the square is 6.2, the perimeter of the square is 10.0. To run the same shell script again, we have to give a command sh square at the $prompt. The shell displays a text enter the side of the square. Now at this point the user has to enter an input. Suppose if the user enters the value 5.5, then the shell returns the area and perimeter of the square by giving the results as the side of the square is 5.5, the area of the square is 30.2, the perimeter of the square is 22.0. Thank you.